Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw docs to BitGet Exchange, right? To withdraw docs token to your BitGet Exchange account, you have to follow certain kind of steps. So first of all, you have to just go and open your BitGet here. And once you go to their official website, to do this, first of all, you have to just go and log in into your BitGet account. So if you don't have the mobile application, you can also do it with the website. So just go and click on the top right side corner in the login here, and once you access, just enter your mobile number or email address and enter the password, and that's it. You will be inside BitGet. Now here you have to find and just go and find the dogs token here, and in the asset list search for dogs and select it. Now you have to claim your token. Click on the claim or receive button next to the dog. You may need to enter details related to any airdrop or reward, right? And once you does that, you have to complete your verification. Ensure that your account is verified as KYC known. Know your customer verification is required for withdrawal. Go to the withdraw section, select docs as the asset, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Now here you have to enter the withdrawal address and confirm withdrawal, and that's it. So after submission, keep an eye on the withdrawal status to ensure it proceeds successfully. This is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.